Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change server in Dark War. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Dark War survival game and go to the top left corner of the screen where your survivor profile is located. Tap on your profile to open the account options. You'll see the account button next to the settings icon. Before you can switch servers, you need to bind your account. Tap on bind and follow the steps to connect your account using an email address. A verification code will be sent to your email. Enter the code to complete the process. This should only take a minute. Once your account is successfully bound, tap Character Management. This feature lets you create new characters and manage servers. In Dark War, servers are referred to as states. To change servers, create a new character. During the character creation process, you'll be given the option to choose a state. Select the one you want to join. Each state will have separate progress, so your characters, levels, and base structures won't carry over from one state to another. After selecting a new state and creating your character, you'll officially be playing on a different server. You can always return to the Character Management section to switch between characters and states. So that's basically how you can change server in Dark War. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.